बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान बाय कतान सिल्क शिकारगा साड़ी प्रीमियम एक्सक्लूसिव वेयर. The beautiful design, the latest design. You see the beautiful weaving throughout the sari. Tilfi Meenakari it's called. Silver, gold and Meena. This is the rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan silk shikarga sari, silk marked certified. The beautiful motifs of animals are made. Upper and lower both sides the same border. Red by pink cross shade, the highest demandable color. It's the rich pallu and blouse piece is plain with border. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari, silk marked certified. You can see the beautiful motifs, animal motifs made on the sari. Orange by pink cross shade. You can see the shade we see by this orange by, and this is the pallu. This comes the look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari. You can see the beautiful border with the jal pattern weaving. Very exclusive sari. Upper and lower both sides the same border with the rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari. The beautiful sari with the animal motifs. Upper and lower both sides the same border with the rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border. This is orange by pink cross shade. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Rani by red cross shade. Very exclusive sari. The beautiful design of animals motifs which is called shikarga. That's the whole look of the sari with the beautiful pallu and blouse piece is plain with border. Same border as the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari with a very beautiful traditional border and jal pattern. The beautiful motifs, animal motifs throughout the sari. This is rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with same border as the sari. This is the look. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk. This is red by rani cross shade. Looks very demanding combination. Beautiful multicolored animal motifs on the sari with the rich designer pallu and blouse piece is plain with border. You can see the border. This same border will come on the blouse, plain with border. It's the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, silk marked certified, Meenakari figure sari, which is also called kata shikarga. Upper and lower, the both sides the same border, and with this designer pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these saris. You can see have a closer look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure golden zari. The beautiful sari, shikarga sari. So look, the all over sari in jal pattern and this golden zari border. Blouse piece is plain with border always. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, bright purple color. Beautiful shikarga sari. The border you can see with the beautiful shikarga animal motifs, lining pattern. Beautiful sari with the rich pallu, designer pallu and blouse piece is always plain with same border as the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari. Very beautiful new design in shikarga. So look of the sari, upper border, lower border both are equal with the rich golden zari pallu. This comes the look of the sari. Silk marked certified.